Hello everyone, my name is Max, welcome back in another video. This time we are unboxing another package. This time it's a huge package of 9.5 kilograms, so it's quite a bit of package to unbox. This one is from EastMallBuy. You have the link down in the description. If you want to sign up, please do so. You guys have a lot of special deals and offers on EastMallBuy coming up from coupons and some different special offers and deals. So yeah, be sure to check out the EastMallBuy down in the description. Let's measure this huge package. So we are looking at 41 centimeters by 40 centimeters, so quite a bit of package. And here, when it comes to the height, we have 53 centimeters. So quite a bit of package. Let's use a knife and let's get this thing open. And by the way, this one was shipped via the DHL. The shipping was like $222 US, so quite on the pricey side. But as for 9.5 kilograms, this is pretty much a great deal. So starting off, here we have a lot of shoes. Let's begin with them, let's just unbox them. And as usual, we have some beautiful blue boxes. Let's just take a look at them. As you can see, the Adidas box, let's take a look at them. Let's see what this is. It says handball special. So yeah, let's just take a look at them, let's unbox it. And here we have it, guys, the Adidas special. And this beautiful brown color. Let's just take a look at them. Let's just see how they all look like. So as you can see, this is how they all look like. The Adidas Special from this Can't Stop Won't Stop company. Yeah, this is how they all look like. You've got those beautiful 3 stripes, and honestly, the quality wise, everything is just one-to-one. I have no complaints about it. You've got this QR code and everything right over here. The size is roughly 39.39 European, so that's just it. Yeah, the sole looks like this. I like it a lot. And yeah, let's also take a look at another pair. So yeah, here's the another pair. They look just fantastic. You've got those spare shoelaces, so that's just great. And yeah, the Adidas Special in the beautiful brown fall-like color. Definitely recommend you guys checking them out. You have the link in the description. Here's the certificate from them, the Poison. You have the QR code and everything you can use. So yeah, that's it. Okay, continuing, we have also some other Adidas shoes. Let's just take a look at the Adidas shoes now. Yeah, like usual, we have the Adidas Sambas. So let me just show you real quick how the Adidas Sambas look like. We have it, guys, the Adidas Sambas. I have ordered a lot of them in the past. This is pretty standard. These are in size, obviously, the US 6.5, 39.1/3 European, so that's just great. You have the insole right over here. The leather, honestly, the quality is just perfect. The leather is just on point. I liked how it all looks like. In here, you also have this tongue, which is also covered in leather. And yeah, I like it a lot. This time is also the Adidas Vegan Sambas. And yeah, pretty much the same color, pretty much the same size and everything. So I won't bore you with these. Let's just continue with something more interesting. Quick notice, what I like about the EastMallBuy is that they protected all the boxes very nicely. As you can see, you've got this protection right over here with the bubble wrap and everything. So because of this, I like the EastMallBuy quite a lot. Okay, and now here's more interesting thing. We have the Salomon shoes. So if you don't know what Salomon brand is, it's the brand that specializes in mountain equipment, especially shoes equipment. Mountain shoes, a lot of mountain shoes. And just like this, here we have the X Mission 4 Winter Adventures, made in India this time, and this one is in size 42.5 US 9. So let's just take a look at them, let's see how they all look like. And here we have it, guys, the Salomon shoes, and honestly they look very nice. I like it quite a lot. I like it very much. You've got this sticker and some other Chinese stickers here. So yeah, you can just take a look at everything in here. The sole is just amazing. Look at the sole. It's just great for mountain climbing and everything. So yeah, definitely recommend you guys checking this thing out. You also have the link down in the description. Let's take this thing out. Let's see how the insole looks like. And yeah, honestly, this one is just very high quality. This mesh is very nice. The insole is great, look very sturdy and just great for overall mountain climbing. The other ones, the left bed, they also look just fine. Take a look at them. And this one is reflecting, so yeah, I like the reflection here. Great shoes. Continuing, here we also have the next Salomon pair. Let's take a look at this. And these are also the same ones, but in a bit different color. This one also is in the size 42.5, but you've got this green-like finishing here. I like this quite a lot. These shoes look amazing. I like them a lot. You have this X Mission Force weight signature, and yeah, these are pretty much the same shoes. So yeah, you can just take a look at this label. Everything is here. I like it. You can see this is made in Vietnam. It's actually the size 42. And yeah, the sole is just amazing as well. The left bed is also on point. I like it a lot. The mesh is nice. Everything is good. This is exactly what you expect from the mountain hiking shoes. And for $15 you can't get any better. The box looks pretty much regular, one-to-one. And for the last time, the Salomon ones, these are in the smaller 38.5 size shoes. So yeah, just take a look at them, the Salomons. They are in this more of a ghetto-like color. As you can see, you've got those combination of colors, the blue one, the pink one, the yellow one. The inner part here is just purple, and here the tongue is yellow, so that's just quite a bit of combination of colors. Yeah, but I like it. This is the same model. As you can see, the X Mission Force suede. Everything is just the same. The sole is nice. As you can see, you have this insole that says S Body or something like that. So yeah, very nice, very beautiful shoes. The left button looks like this. We have the continuation patterns and colors. Everything looks to be the same. Very nice. And lastly but not least, we have the Timberlands. So I always wanted to purchase some very high quality Timberlands, and this time we have finally purchased them. These are the Timberlands, the black ones, in a size 8.5 US, 26.5 centimeters, so that's just great. We have some Chinese stickers, but overall this is how it all looks like. The box is just perfect. I like how it all looks like. You've got this nice Timberland logo on top. On the sides here you also have it, and on the back the same thing. So yeah, let's just see how they all look like and how they fit. So yeah, this is how they open. As you can see, it says we believe in a greener future is a better future. So you can see, you can read everything. Here we have it, folks. The Timberlands in this black, beautiful color. You also have this theme type of a leather signature, and there you can see everything. I like how it all looks like. They look very nice, very sturdy, very beautiful. And yeah, inside is how they look like. As you can see, the Timberland logo, it's not focusing, I know, but yeah, it's all leather, very nice. Yeah, definitely worth it, guys. I like the black themes, they look very nice. The sole here is very sturdy, it looks very good. I've got this logo over here, and yeah, let's wear them now. Well, let's also take a look at the left pair here, so let's just take a look at this. Actually, yeah. So here we have the themes in the black color as well, the left ones. They look also very good. You have this stitching right over here. But yeah, everything looks okay, very nice. Same size, the regular pattern is here. Same materials, everything is just the same. Just take a look at the logo once again. Maybe take a look at the stitchings. Everything's alright, I like it. So yeah, great shoes. And lastly, we have the last Timberlands. These are in a color. We have something more. So we've got this Chinese leather of Timberlands or whatever that is. How to stain them and how to make them look brand new again. after a couple of times of wearing them. So yeah, you can just take an example how to just keep them in the right way. Here, as you can see, we also have some Chinese Timberland message, and yeah, it looks quite interesting. Let's take a look at the shoes now. Let's see how they all look like. As you can see, this paper is a little bit different, but yeah, let's just take a look at this. And yeah, we have here the Timberlands, but in the color, in the OG color. These are the Timberlands in the OG color. This honey-like color, as you can see. I like how it all looks like. They are absolutely phenomenal. I like them a lot. You have the logo here and the stitching goes all around. I liked it a lot. And here you also have this sample of the leather, the logo on top on here. So yeah, very nice. The Timberlands, I love them. And these are actually waterproof. So yeah, your feet won't get soaked. The sole looks like this. You can see the Timberland and everything. So yeah, it all looks just beautiful. You can see here everything. The Timberland stitching is there as well. Great shoes. They're like $30 or $40. I don't really remember. But yeah, you have the link down in the description. And the leather is just great. Great shoes, great quality, great price. I like them a lot. The shoelaces look also beautiful. Next pair looks like this. Very beautiful. Consistency in the materials, everything looks to be the same. And yes, they are waterproof. Let's actually test this. Let's do it, guys. Let's do the waterproof test on the Timberlands to see whether they do not soak the water. And yeah, just like this, the water, very nice. They're hydrophobic, so yeah, your feet won't get wet. Okay, and here we have it, guys, the whole shoe unboxing. As you can see, we have a ton of them. So starting off with the Adidas Specials in this beautiful fall color, I like it a lot. Continuing with the Salomons, I like them quite a lot as well. And here the next pair as well. And here the green ones. Some Sambas, Adidas Sambas, and then the cherry on top of today's video, these two pairs of Timberlands. So yeah, I like them a lot. As you can see, guaranteed waterproof since 1973. Very nice. I like it. That's it. Obviously all the links are available down in the description. I highly recommend you guys checking them out. And yeah, please sign up with the link down in the description to EastMallBuy to get yourself some great offers and deals. A lot of coupons, a lot of great special offers. So yeah, be sure to just take a look at the description. See you in the next video. Bye.